It's pretty common where you need to bring a whole bunch of data from one source and bring it all the way into Google Sheets. Now, if you try to copy and paste giant amount of cells, it's going to probably time out on you and it's going to make your life a little bit difficult. Or at minimum, it will probably take longer than it needs to. So I'm going to show you how to do this better and more efficiently with this one simple trick. So right here, we have a whole bunch of different data. And I'm going to go ahead and copy it. And you can see we have 1,858 rows, and we have all the way to column L. Now, like I said, if I copy this and I paste it into a different spreadsheet, it may work, it may not work, it may take a lot of time, it may not. But the better route of action is to go to File, Download, CSV, so comma separated values, and now you have a CSV file. And if you're not familiar with CSV files, they're very common when it comes to downloading reports. And basically what it does is it formats the file in a way where every single cell is separated by commas. So that way it's easier for the computer to read and you can migrate it over to different platforms. Now, instead of copying and pasting your data directly into a sheet, instead we're going to import a CSV file. So I'm going to add a new sheet, go to File, Import, Upload, and then I'll grab that CSV file that we just downloaded. Hit open. It's going to give you a few options. Create new spreadsheet means that it will create an entirely new spreadsheet from the one you're working at. Insert a new sheet. That means it will insert a new sheet at the bottom. Replace spreadsheet. It will replace the entire spreadsheet you're working on with this data. Replace current sheet means that it will add the data into the current sheet that you're working with. Append to current sheet means that it will add the data to the very bottom of the data that already exists in the current sheet, or you can replace data at a selected cell. I usually do replace current sheet, so I'm going to select that, then hit import data. And just like that, a lot of different data imported very quickly, and now we have all the different values right here. So that's how to use a CSV file and import a CSV file in Google Sheets. Like and comment for more.